Okay, got it. Now, I want to get back to Hillary Clinton's email scandal because a second judge has agreed that the conservative group Judicial Watch can pursue what's known as legal discovery in the email scandal. Judge, without getting into the weeds, because I don't know what's going on here, does this enhance the probability of an indictment?
Well, it enhances the probability of misery for Mrs. Clinton. So we have two Judicial Watch lawsuits, one looking for records about Benghazi, one looking for records about Huma Abedin. The allegation was she was employed by the Clinton Foundation while she was employed by the State Department.
Okay.
The State Department says, we don't have any records, and they didn't. As a result of this, the New York Times did its digging and found the server and found that Mrs. Clinton had secreted 66,000 emails. Both judges said to the State Department, you're not answering our questions truthfully. I think there was a conspiracy in the State Department when Mrs. Clinton was the Secretary of State to evade the federal transparency laws. Two judges independently of each other said, you can take the testimony under oath of her inner circle, and if you show me evidence of that conspiracy, you can take her testimony. The same 5 people in the inner circle who will testify in both of these cases are receiving knocks on the door from the FBI this week and being asked whether or not they want to explain themselves to the FBI in the email scandal. And the next step after asking the 5 of them in is to ask Mrs. Clinton in herself. So this is a perfect storm of misery for her. Her closest aides must testify in one Freedom of Information Act case about her emails, another Freedom of Information Act case about her emails, and the FBI wants to know what they know about her emails.
With respect, I think you should expand the concept of the perfect storm, expand it to the entire Democrat Party. Because if she is the nominee, and it looks like she will be, they got a problem.
The Democrats should know about this before the summer, lest they have a catastrophe this summer in which they nominate her on day 1 and she's indicted on day 2.
Will they know about it before the summer?
I suspect they will.
Whoa.
I think the government will make a decision on how to proceed against her criminally in May.
Coming to a boil
Wow.
the month after next. All right, Judge, thank you very much indeed, sir. Here's a